Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. For this time, let me tell you something about simple tips and tricks for modern office design layout. But before you watch this video, make sure you like and share this video and subscribe this channel for more video. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Great office decor takes a little bit more than simply a useful way of thinking that focuses on where the desks go and also what the reception area looks like. It's also vital to bear in mind that physical surroundings have a big effect of morale, efficiency, and psychological well-being. So your office decor needs to reflect that while keeping the organization core value at the forefront. Below are the coolest office format concepts you can carry out without breaking the bank or killing your schedule. First, the newsroom. This type of arrangement is ideal for any job where communication is crucial, as well as there is a pressing need for impromptu meetings. Key features, desk clusters, open space, and flexible seating. Tips and tricks. Put together individual office desks to make clusters of both large and small group tables. Remove cubicle walls and room dividers. Intersperse the office with comfortable, flexible seating options. Use what you already have and maybe supplement with some beanbag seats. Second, the startup. Inspiring flexible work habits and free thinking. Key features, standing coffee tables and couches, plus easy-to-move laptop desks. Tips and tricks. If you are short on budget, brainstorm items you make use to add height to existing tables to turn them into standing desks. Move a few couches from the break room into the main work area to encourage employees to work anywhere they want. Scatter inexpensive standing laptop desks around the new workspace. Third, the library. If your employees desire quiet time, embrace their requirements instead of following the trends of open layout. Key features, sheltered cubes and privacy screens, plus lots of nooks and crannies. Tips and tricks. Roll standing whiteboards from your conference room into the main work hall. Employees can roll them in front of their cube doors when they need to focus or make phone calls. Split group cubes into individual workstations. Have special quiet hours in conference rooms where employees can gather to work quietly together while also taking a break from their desks. Fourth, the light village obvious. By just letting in extra light, including mirror, and changing out light bulbs, you can access untapped source of light throughout the workplace. Key features. This office is flooded with synthetic, natural light and happy workers. Tips and tricks. Swapping out overhead bulbs for brighter models and even bringing in some lamps. Take down blinds. Even when they are rolled up, they can block some refreshing natural sunlight. Add more mirrors to reflect the natural light. You are place mirror directly across from window if possible. Fifth, recharge office. Key features, office spaces dedicated to recharging. Tips and tricks. Use simple room dividers to create eating and meeting space in the office and convert break rooms, conference rooms, and even closets, essentially any room with a door, into breakout space. Add large beanbag seats to make people feel cozy. Post meditation posters on the walls to help people relax. 6. The Team Planet Office. Key features. It depends on what your team decided. Tips and tricks. Have everyone at the company provide ideas for an overall layout. Let each employee decorate their own desks. If you have the budget, pass out catalogs and surveys, and give each employee a spending limit. This will make it easy for employees to get what they want. Plus, giving them a few cohesive design brands to choose from means everything will look good together. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more video. And also don't forget to watch the video before this. So make sure that you watched, and I'll see you guys on the next video.